What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I want to say thank you so much for tuning in. If you guys don't know, this is a stock trading channel where I talk about my journey going, trading the equities market, specifically, day trading, maybe a little bit swing trading. I don't know if I'm going to get into that, maybe eventually, but currently I'm just going to be day trading. I don't know what options. Options there's lots of money to be made, but currently just day trading right now, specifically mostly ETFs, not as much penny stocks. So let's get straight into what's been going on lately. So currently what I've been doing is paper trading now. I was trading on UStocktrade for a little bit, but I just noticed that my strategies are completely different right now. When I was paper trading, I was doing it pretty effective and efficiently, but now with actual trading, I noticed my trading has been a bit different. So now I'm going to go back into paper trading and focusing more on one stock and just going ham on it, basically. Just making sure I have it down and just more focused. And when I go back into actual real money, I want to become more more proficient and not doing trading differently. Because I'm noticing I would trade one specific pattern on paper trading, right? But when it comes down to real money, my trading would be completely different. So obviously I have to understand that focusing more on being more proactive, more proficient when trading. So today I just traded natural gas. I saw that it was trending down. I'll show you guys the charts, but I just focused on one trade, one pattern, and just went with it. That's what I'm focusing on coming into this week. It's just more paper trading, more becoming a more effective and efficient trader. So let's get straight into what I've been trading. All right, welcome back, everybody. So today I traded DGAZ. As you can see, DGAZ pushed up overnight significantly, but that's besides the point. What I traded was, let's go into natural gas real quick. So natural gas was downtrending since about 5 in the morning. So I saw potential that it was trading between the top and the bottom VWAP. Let me get rid of this line if it distracts you guys. My bad. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So as you can see here, the top VWAP, bottom VWAP. So I was trading in between those two indicators. So I saw that there's it's a downtrending stock, or the natural gas is basically downtrending currently. So as soon as they hit this top VWAP at about 850, I saw that it could start to reverse since it was recovering. So I waited, and then as soon as it crossed that 9-day exponential moving average, I took a position on DGAZ. As you can see, DGAZ started to push up, and actually at that point, that's where it crossed the middle VWAP, and then I took the position I held, and then I noticed there was a previous resistance about 1114-ish where it failed to break this whole morning. So I just waited until it hit that point and sold off, because I wouldn't want to hold through a previous resistance, because it could just eventually just go back down to the middle VWAP, and we're just out here to just lock in those profits, right? We're not here to be greedy and just wait for stocks to go to the moon and stuff like that. So this is an A+ trade, right? This is a trade that we look for. We look for trades that are predictable, and it sticks to your plan, right? So I'm happy with the way I traded. Let's see if I can show you a $54 profit. It definitely a little trade that I'm happy with, And this is the trades I want to focus on coming into real money, is waiting, because I know that the emotions play in a part, but I'm gonna try to somehow bring emotions into paper trading if that's possible. But yeah, with paper trading, what I would do is I would go to LabVIEW. I would try to get into a position, but now I'm just focusing on how it was before I started trading with real money. I would just focus on one trade, one stock, one pattern, and I would just go on from that. So with paper trading, I just want to focus on is more looking at patterns that I know that work, and they specifically with natural gas specifically, I just like the way it trades, or maybe sometimes I might trade the oil ETF, which is UWT and DWT. Those are the two I'm going to focus on with paper trading, and just go on from there. I don't want to focus on penny stocks or options or any of that kind of crazy stuff currently. Just focusing on mastering ETFs, and then go on from there. So I want to say thank you guys for tuning in. It's been a true blessing, and don't forget, guys, secure the bag 19.